Konbawa, my boosters, Eric here, and today I decided to do another tier list. This one being Toxic Amaranth's Wii CPU Me tier list. Just before we get in, I'm just gonna apologize to every face you see on screen because I'm going to butcher every single one of their names. I have a video put up next to me to remind me of all their names since I haven't even seen some of these people before, but I'm likely not going to get any of their names correct. So let's start. Or let's not start because my tablet is a piece of feces and decides to just crash constantly. Now we can start. A B C D E. I don't really know how to say your name, but you're definitely an S tier for me. Next, Adelaide. I'd say you're A tier. Ain. You're A tier. I can barely see his name, but he's B tier. Nah, I can't see his name. And the tab crashed again. Tab crashed again. Hang on a second. There we go. Oh dear. LF. He's B tier. Ana Lucia. You're A tier. Next. We have Baka. A tier. Bazia. She kind of looks like that Olivia me I made, my Wii Music me Olivia. So I'll probably put her in A tier. Next we got Beldevere, C tier. Burned, C tier. Blake, you look a lot like Libra Warriors Lily, and no. Next, Blanche, C tier. Blathnide, we go with A tier. Alright, Body. Probably A tier, I guess. Alright, Bora. Vera, Soloria. Yeah, I guess I can put you in S tier. Bowen. I'd say you're A tier. Brian, you're B tier. Bunny, yeah, B tier. Calivan, is that what it says? Let's see here. Canyon, C tier. Kayome, C tier. Cristobal, C tier. Oh, here's one I actually like. Doc. S tier. Right, next up we got Daw. She looks like my Miis Susan. She's not a CPU me. It's just me. I guess both of them are based off of Haley in a way, so A tier. Waiting. Oh, there we go. Drago, S tier, why not? Yeah. C tier. Eden. I'll put you in B tier. Eyeless. I think you're not S tier. Next, Emmanuel. Maybe I'm just biased considering Emmanuel appeared in a remix he made for me, but like his Xander +4 video, but yeah, S tier. Next up, Eric, best guy ever. I'd probably put him probably just a B tier. Fauci. B tier. Fishers, A tier. Forever A tier. Forever stuck in the A tier. Fritzy, C tier. Next, Gabriel, A tier. Garth, yeah, S tier. Do you have any? C, maybe a B tier. Nah, not really. Gilia, she's an A tier. Gyonghui, I'd put her in A tier. Or in, I'm not totally sure. Hamoud, I like him despite being named after that meme. Or maybe he isn't, I don't know. Hayo, I think I like him enough to put him in A tier. Might be a bit surprising, but yeah, I like him. Haruhi, A tier. Oh, not again. There goes. You sped up by like 10. Why does it always do this? Oh, you skipped someone. There you go. He's a B tier. Hiromi, this is literally just like a color bent, or not a color swapped Nick, but I actually like it, so. Waiting for this thing to. Oh, there we go. Catch up. Hyunwoo, B tier. Imogen, A tier. Eon, A tier. Ixtly, when I say S, high A tier. Jacques, I think we all know where this me. Yeah, what the ideas for this me. You know what, S tier. I like this guy. Joao. B tier. How much more do we have? Alright. Alright, what here? Joaquin, C tier. Joji, B tier. Carla, I think S tier is good for her. Alright, Katarina, B tier. Kazuhiro is C tier. Kiri, A tier. Clara, A tier. Constance, A tier. So is I think they might have skipped over that guy, but Leon, B tier. I guess I'd probably put this guy in B tier as well. Oh, there he is. Leonid. London, A tier. Marisa, C tier. Martin, B tier. Alright, Massimo, C tier. Merrick, literally just Tommy with a different haircut, C tier. Monica, B tier. Nata Akan, B tier. Nathaniel, A tier. Nessa, C tier. What? Are you forgetting someone? Who's this Octavo guy? He's not in here. Oh no, not again! Come on! This is just unfair at this point. Okay, I think do we skip someone? I hate this confounded thing. Oleskian. B tier. I don't see his name. Pathicus? C tier. Peridot? A tier. Oh my. Continuing on. Alright, Kodan, A tier. Courtney, B tier. Ra, B tier. Rihanna, C tier. Rourke, A tier. There's still so many to go by. Not sure if we're gonna have time to read off all their names and use this confounded tablet. So I'm just gonna go through the rest of my looks. C tier, A tier, C tier. B tier. I don't have enough time. Let's get this one out of the way. FQL, S tier. There we go. Sorry about the time, but bye.